Configuring Monday.com pulses is a straightforward process that enables you to automate tasks and workflows within the platform. To start, log into your Monday.com account and navigate to the board where you want to create a pulse. A pulse is essentially an automated task that can be triggered by a specific event or condition. First, click on the plus icon at the top right corner of your screen and select Automate from the drop-down menu. This will open the Automation Center where you can create new pulses. Click on the Create Automation button to begin the process. Next, define the trigger for your pulse, which is the event that will activate the automation. For example, you can set the trigger to when an item is moved to a specific group or when a specific column is updated. Choose the relevant trigger from the available options and configure the settings as needed. After defining the trigger, specify the action that you want the pulse to perform. This could be sending a notification, creating a new item, or updating a column. Select the desired action from the list of available options and configure the settings accordingly. Once you have defined the trigger and action, you can add conditions to further customize the pulse. Conditions allow you to specify under which circumstances the pulse should be triggered. For example, you can set a condition to only trigger the pulse when a specific column contains a certain value. Finally, review and test your pulse to ensure it is working as expected. You can test the pulse by manually triggering the event that you specified as the trigger. If the pulse works correctly, it will perform the specified action. Best practices for configuring Monday.com pulses include keeping your pulses simple and focused on a specific task, using clear and descriptive names for your pulses, and testing your pulses regularly to ensure they are working correctly. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively configure Monday.com pulses to automate tasks and workflows within your organization.